Hello everyone, welcome to MacroEdtech. We are bringing you a 30 days revision series for the upcoming UPSC Civil Service Examination Prelims 2026, especially paper number 2, that is CSET. So far, we have completed around 3 hours of recorded content covering 11 videos where we practiced a variety of questions based on previous year questions asked by the UPSC. Now moving on to day number 12. In today's session, we will be solving 4 carefully selected questions. These questions are designed to strengthen your concepts, improve your problem solving approach, and help you build confidence for the exams. As always, try to pause the video, attempt the question on your own first, then continue to check the solution with us. So let's get started. Question number 1. The letters of the word incompressibilities are arranged alphabetically in reverse order. How many positions of the letters will remain unchanged? So now we'll solve this question. Although this is very simple question, but before solving and avoid any kind of confusion, first of all, we will write already given word, that is incompressibilities. Maintain some space so we can easily find out which one is our last as per alphabetical order. So we can observe that T is our last letter, right? And also we can write the frequencies, although it is not useful for this question, but we can write. Now we have to be reverse this order because T is last, and similar way we will find all which one the correct chronological order of this word. So reverse order T, S, S, and so on I already wrote here, right? But the main concept is to understand that we have to be compare from I to T, N, S, C, S, O, R. In a similar way, we have to compare each letters with first original word and then reverse order. So we will get that there is a repetition of I after S, I, and here I, and again at L, I, here we have I. So we can found that there are two repetitions. So you can write in this way to get our final answer, and here are the two matches, I and second I. So answer is 2. There's only 2 matches. Now question number 2. How many natural numbers are there that give a remainder of 31 when 1186 is divided by these natural numbers? Now we'll solve this question. As per the instruction given in the question, we have number 1186 and natural number is divisor. So suppose D is natural number and we have to divide 1186 by this D. Then we will get remainder is 31. So in general standard form, we know that if there is a divisor, quotient and remainder, right? So here D is a natural number, Q we don't know, and R is 31, and we have main number 1186. Now we will subtract minus 31, then we will get 1155. So now we can observe that D must be divisor of 1155, and also very important point, D must be greater than 31. Why? Because this is a remainder. 31 is a remainder and divisor should be greater than remainder. Now we will factorize 1155 with prime numbers 3, 5, 7 and 11. So now we will find the total divisors. And what is the formula of total divisor? Prime number, suppose we have P, Q, R as prime number with power A, B, C, D. Then total divisor A plus 1 multiplied by B plus 1, C plus 1 and D plus 1. Total divisor 1 plus 1 multiply by 1 plus 1 because A, B, C, D are all 1. So we'll get total 16, total divisor. Because in question there is some condition instruction like divisor should be greater than 31. So first we will find the divisor like 1, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the prime number and also divisor. So now next we will find like 3 cross 5, 15, 5 cross 7, 3 cross 7, 3 cross 11, 21, 33. But we will find which is less than 31 and then we will subtract from 16 to get our answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, only 7. So 16 minus 7, we will get 9 as our answer. Question number 3. A flag has to be designed with 4 horizontal strips using some or all of the colors red, green and yellow. What is the number of different ways in which this can be done so that no two adjacent strips have the same color? This is a restricted arrangement type question where we have total strips 4 and colors available 3 and one condition given, no two adjacent strips same. Now we'll see and try to make some cases. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are total 4 strips. So in the first case, how many possible ways? Because there are 3 colors and we are free to choose any one. So there is total 3 cases. Second, because all are independent, so we can easily multiply to find out the number of ways. But please remember, we have to follow this condition that no two adjacent strips same. Second position, we have now only two choice because first color is already used. Now there is total two choice for this place. Now again we have two choice because if we use red color here, so we can again choose red color here. So total two choice. And for same as for last, there is total two choice. So 3 cross 8, 24 is our answer. There is one formula for your examination purpose. If you have less time or didn't understand the question, you can use this kind of formulas. If n strips, k colors and no two adjacent same. So there is a formula total ways k, like we have total 3 colors, then 3 minus 1 and n minus 1 and total 4 strips. So you can get 3 multiplied by 2 to power 3. 24 is our answer. Now question number 4. A principal P becomes Q in 1 year when compounded half yearly with R% annual rate of interest. If the same principal P becomes Q in 1 year when compounded annually with S% annual rate of interest, then which of the following is correct? So this is very fundamental type of question related to compound interest and simple interest. If you know about that, what is a compounded half yearly and what is the effect on the rate and time, so you can easily without pen and paper you can give answer. I test some formulas here related to compound interest, so you can revise it like amount equals to P1 plus R divided by 100 to power n. This is a compound annually. When interest is compounded half yearly, please remember in this case half yearly rate would be half and time will be double. And when interest is compounded quarterly, same as rate will be 1/4 and time will 4n. So please read these two section. More compounding means more growth. The same final amount rate must be smaller. So obviously in half yearly rate would be half. So rate half, in annual bigger rate. So more compounding, more interest, means if two half compounding, half yearly, we yield more interest. So this is a conclusion. In half yearly, there is a more interest than annual. And in a similar way, quarterly will get more interest than half yearly. And also one formula of compound interest, amount minus principal. So that's it for today. For any support, any query related to your examination, please write email at info@macroedtech.com, and also you can connect with me on LinkedIn. Link is also available in this video's description. Thank you very much. From tomorrow onwards, in video I'll include some questions related to comprehensive reading, and I'll explain some concepts that how can you give the correct answer.